What's up guys, it's Mastercard and welcome back to my channel. So TECNO just released the Camon CM a few weeks ago, and this is a follow-up device, the Camon CX that was released last year. One thing that stands out about this device is the 18:9 aspect ratio, and shout out to my friends in Nigeria. I was able to get my hands on the Camon CM and I'm going to do unboxing. Before I get to the video, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down below and also click the bell button so that you can get notifications when I post new videos. Now let's get to it. Taking off the box, it reveals the phone with a blue sticker. Honestly, TECNO is doing great with the packaging. This packaging actually looks like the iPhone box with the whole phone on it. Getting to the device itself, we're going to peel off this sticker. And here we're going to reveal the screen, as you can see. Now turn it to the back. We're gonna take off this sticker also, and it's gonna reveal that midnight black finish. Now let's check what's also in the box. Inside the box, we have the mini USB charger, the earphone, the warranty card, the manual, the power adapter, and the casing. And also we have the phone. Now getting to the phone, on the side we have the power button and the volume rockers. On the top we have the 3.5mm earphone jack. On the other side we have the SIM tray, and under we have the charger port, the microphone grill, and the speaker ports. At the back we have the fingerprint sensor, we have the quad flash, and we have the cameras. Looking closely at the top, we can see antenna bands, which is somewhat gray, and also down below you can see that antenna band there. Now while we put on the phone, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the specs. The Camon CM runs on Android 7.0 Nougat with a processor of 1.3 GHz quad core. It also has a display of 5.7 HD plus and a resolution of 1440 by 720. It's also with 16 gig ROM and 2 gig RAM and 13 megapixel rear facing camera with quad flash, and also 13 megapixel front camera with flash. And it has a battery of 3000 mAh, which is kind of a reduction from the CX. The CX was actually 3200 mAh. Now coming to the weight of this device, I've been using my iPhone 7 for a while now, but comparing the two devices, the TECNO is actually lighter than this iPhone 7. Like I'm thinking of changing it to the TECNO. Like, it's very light, and if you compare the sizes, the TECNO is bigger than the iPhone 7 in height, and align them together, you can see it's a bit wider than it, but it feels lighter in my palm. Also coming to the back, both of them have the bulge for camera, and where the Apple logo is, that's where the fingerprint sensor is. The flash is just changed, one is vertical, the other is horizontal, but the TECNO is quite light. Now let's check the screen. You can see TECNO has larger displays. Let's align both of them together so you can see that black edge there. The display is way bigger than what the iPhone 7 has to offer. Yeah, I think TECNO did a great job with this device. And considering the price, which is 47,000 naira in Nigeria, like, and $130, this is a great device for your day as your daily driver. You can use it anywhere. You can quickly put it in your pocket, pull it out, and use it at any time, and it feels light. So welcome back guys, that's my quick unboxing and review of the Camon CM. Now I'm just going to be using this phone for a couple of days so that I can give you the full review. If you'd like to see some more tests, just drop a comment in the comment section. Tell me what tests you'd like to see, tell me what games you want me to play, tell me what applications you'd like me to run on these apps, on this phone, and I'm going to run them to see the performance. Now, if you've not subscribed to my channel, click that subscribe button down below and also click the bell button so that when I post new video, you get notifications. Until next time, I am Mastercard. See you.